In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Salesforce certifications through Trailhead. This simple process ensures that anyone relying on this credential knows its authenticity. Whether you are a current certification holder or someone needing to verify the credentials of another, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and straightforward. Let's begin by ensuring you're on the right site. First, open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, head over to trailhead.salesforce.com. This website is your primary resource for learning, credentials, and many more features that Salesforce offers to its users. When you're on the homepage of Trailhead, look at the top navigation menu. This is where you'll find all of your major options listed clearly. Now, what you're looking for is the tab labeled Certifications. Hover your cursor over this tab and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Follow this by clicking on the option marked Verify Certifications. This is a crucial step as it takes you directly to the verification page designed specifically for validating Salesforce certifications. At this point, the website will prompt you to input some specific information. It's crucial to have either the full name of the individual holding the certification or their registered email address. If you are the certifications holder wanting to verify your own credential, make sure you input the email address you used to register your certifications with Salesforce. This precision will help streamline the search process and pull up accurate results. You'll notice that this space keeps security at the forefront, ensuring that no sensitive information beyond what is necessary is required. Once you've entered either the full name or the registered email, simply proceed to initiate the search. Reading through the returned results will show the certification status, verifying its current validity. This is all you need, and with one streamlined action, you have all the certainty you're looking for. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you can verify any Salesforce certification with confidence. It's a handy habit to periodically check the status of your credentials for your personal peace of mind, or as a manager or partner, to confirm the credentials of your team or colleagues. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. Remember, keeping credential information accurate and verified not only helps with trust, but enhances your professional reliability, whether individually or organizationally. If you found these instructions helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more easy-to-follow guides just like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep verifying those achievements.